Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I want to show you the way how you unforget the device on iPhone that ever connect through Bluetooth. So you just need to make sure that the Bluetooth on your phone is active. You can see that my Bluetooth here is inactive, so you just need to tap on it to make it active. The next, after the Bluetooth is active, just tap into the settings and you just need to scrolling down until you got the Bluetooth options, and then you just need to tap on it. So if you want to unforget the device, make sure that the device that you want to unforget is also having the Bluetooth in active mode. So whenever the Bluetooth is active, make sure that the device also surrounds your phone, and there will be like pop up in the other device right here, and then you just need to tap it, and then the device will be connected back into your Bluetooth on iPhone. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and if you still have some question or you want us to create you other tutorials, just drop into the comments. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button and turn on the notification for upcoming video.